Hi guys, this is Hussein Sharif and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing good. Recently, I have attended an amazing Generative AI workshop in which I get to learn many things. I want to share you three things that you must know. That was hosted by Rahul Attuluri sir, who is the CEO of Nxtwave. And first thing I want to share you is what is generative AI application and what is LLM, what's the difference between them. Secondly, I want to let you know that why it is important to have a strong LLM. And in the third part of the video, I'm going to showcase my generative AI project, which I supposed to build by attending this workshop. And I'm going to explain what are the technologies I have used in this workshop. So with this, let's get into the video. So yeah, now let's understand what is an LLM. LLM is a large language model where large refers to how large is the data that this model gets trained and how the model gets inferenced with a particular natural language process, and model refers to the architecture built, right? And architecture specifically in 2017 with a title called Attention is All You Need, by which it becomes the reason for the revolution of generative AI, right? And with this, we can understand that if the LLM is stronger, then the generative AI will work efficiently to to generate the content as real as possible. For that, it needs to have four things. First one, it need to maintain at a TPUs or CPUs, GPUs or TPUs. Secondly, it must train with the petabytes of data. It must train for months or even years, and uh, mostly we must have a large number of investment and researchers to correct or to help the model to get trained better, right? That's the main agenda, to generate the real content, right? So that's the reason why these are the resources, and in back-end development for the any LLM to become stronger. And these are the things that I want to share you. And it is important to know, as an enthusiastic AI enthusiastic or machine learning enthusiastic. And yeah, now let's deep dive into the project which I have built, which I supposed to build by attending this workshop. And let me know how is the video and how is the project in the comment section. So let's dive into the project.
As of 2021, Mukesh Ambani is considered the richest man in India. He is the chairman and largest shareholder of Reliance Industries, a conglomerate with interests in petrochemicals, refining, oil, and telecommunications.